Let's open this peel and stick wallpaper from Blooming Wall, and then we can use it to line my antique dresser drawers. I easily removed the clear plastic encasing around the roll of wallpaper. The label has info on the front and directions on the back side. My first impression is that I love the imagery and the quality of this paper. This is so cute. I'm really impressed. It looks and feels expensive, but it's affordable. There is a textured finish, and you can tell that it's water resistant, which lets me know that this is durable. First, you measure and cut, and then you go ahead and apply. The wax paper peels away from the adhesive wallpaper super easily. The adhesive side sticks super strong to the wood. I had to pull it off a few times to get it on right, and the adhesive never wore off or got less sticky. I made a few mistakes before I asked my husband to help me, which I wish I had done in the beginning. The application was absolutely the hardest part for me. It probably took 45 minutes to line all the drawers, from measuring to laying down the last piece. And it would have taken me around 15 to 20 minutes if I had help from the beginning. I'm really pleased with how these drawers turned out. Like I said, they didn't turn out perfect, but they look adorable, and now I have clean dresser drawer bottoms. I would totally recommend this to anyone thinking of buying. This is great for wallpaper or for contact paper in your drawers.